Are there creative ways to earn money without being stuck in a 9-to-5 job? Yes, there are many opportunities for you to explore. You can make your mark in a world full of possibilities. This video is your guiding map to uncovering 15 inspiring ways to earn money on your own terms. Imagine earning a living doing something you love, setting your own hours, and having the freedom to work from anywhere. Sounds good, right? Well, it's not just a dream, it's a reality for many, and it could be for you too. Get excited to discover 15 innovative methods to boost your income. Let's jump in. First up, teaching English or your main language online. Imagine a world where you can share your linguistic prowess with eager learners across the globe, all from the comfort of your home. This is the reality of online language tutoring. There are various platforms where you can do this, such as VIPKid, italki, or Preply, each offering a unique experience and community. The potential earnings? Well, it varies based on factors like your qualifications, experience, and the platform you choose. But on average, you could earn between $10 to $30 per hour. What do you need to get started? Typically, a bachelor's degree is required, and sometimes a teaching certificate, like TFL. However, some platforms only require fluency in the language you'll be teaching. So, if you are fluent in any language, why not share your knowledge and earn from it? After all, it's not just about the money, but the satisfaction of helping others learn and grow. Next, becoming a virtual assistant. So, you're wondering, what exactly does a virtual assistant do? Well, they're the silent heroes of the digital world, taking care of administrative tasks, scheduling, data entry, and even customer service. If you're someone who thrives on keeping things organized and running smoothly, this could be your calling. Now, let's talk potential earnings. Depending on your skills and experience, you could be looking at earning between $20 to $60 an hour. Not too shabby for a job you can do in your pajamas, right? And if you're wondering what skills you need, think along the lines of good communication, time management, and proficiency in various online tools and software. But where do you find these jobs? Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Virtual Staff Finder are great places to start. Virtual assisting is perfect for those who are organized and enjoy administrative tasks. Got a knack for creating beautiful things? Sell your art on Etsy. Etsy is a unique marketplace catering specifically to creatives who want to sell their handcrafted, vintage, or uniquely designed goods. From paintings to jewelry, clothing, and home decor, if you've created it, you can sell it on Etsy. How much you can earn is really up to you. Some artisans are making a full-time income, while others use it as a side hustle. The key to success on Etsy is to offer high-quality, unique items that can't be found elsewhere. Good photos and descriptions, competitive pricing, and excellent customer service are also important. You'll also want to consider how to stand out among the millions of sellers on the platform. This might involve creating a unique brand or focusing on a specific niche. Remember, the more effort you put into your Etsy shop, the more you'll get out of it. So, turn your passion for art into a profitable business on Etsy. Ever thought of starting a print-on-demand business? It's a business model that lets you sell your own custom designs on various products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters without the need for inventory. You create your designs, upload them to a print-on-demand platform, and promote them. When a customer places an order, the platform prints your design on the product and ships it directly to the customer. The potential earnings vary greatly depending on your design's popularity, but can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s a month. To start, all you need is a design software, a print-on-demand platform, and a knack for creating designs people love. Success tips: keep up with trends, create high-quality designs, and promote your products effectively. Remember, consistency is key. It may take time to build a customer base, but with perseverance, you can turn this into a profitable venture. With print-on-demand, you can earn money while expressing your creativity. Good with words? Consider freelance writing or editing. This creative avenue can be a fantastic way to monetize your way with words. Freelance writing or editing involves creating or polishing content for clients, which can range from blog posts and articles to books and business documents. The beauty of this field is that it's not just about the money, it's also about the freedom to choose the projects that align with your interests. You can specialize in a niche you're passionate about, whether that's fashion, technology, travel, or anything else under the sun. As for potential earnings, they can vary widely. Some freelance writers earn a few $100s a month, while others pull in several thousand. It all depends on your experience, specialization, and workload. To get started, you'll need a solid command of language, an eye for detail, and the ability to meet deadlines. Then you can find jobs on freelance platforms, job boards, or even by networking on social media. How about online tutoring? Now, this is an excellent opportunity to share your knowledge and expertise while making a decent income. With the rise of technology, anyone can become an online tutor. You can teach a wide array of subjects, from mathematics to music, science to languages, and even hobbies like cooking or drawing. Your potential earnings depend on your skills and the demand for the subject you're teaching. Some tutors make a comfortable living, earning anywhere from $20 to $50 an hour. But what do you need to get started? Well, you'll need a solid understanding of your subject, a stable internet connection, and a quiet space to conduct your lessons. Some platforms may require a degree or certification in the field you wish to teach, while others just need you to pass a proficiency test. Online tutoring can be a rewarding and profitable endeavor. It's about time you consider it as a viable alternative to a traditional 9-to-5. Next, let's talk about dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where you sell products online, but the twist is, you don't need to keep any inventory. Instead, you partner with a supplier who fulfills orders on your behalf. The potential earnings from dropshipping can vary widely. Some dropshippers make a few $100s a month, while others rake in several thousand. Your earnings will largely depend on factors such as the products you sell, your marketing strategies, and the overall demand in your chosen niche. Starting a dropshipping business is relatively straightforward. First, you'll need to choose a niche and find reliable suppliers. Then you'll set up an online store, list your products, and start marketing. Here are a few tips for success. Do your market research. Understand your customer base. Be patient and persistent. And most importantly, provide excellent customer service. Dropshipping is a great way to start an online business with minimal upfront investment. Love animals. Consider dog walking or pet sitting. It's a fantastic way to combine your passion for four-legged friends with a flexible means of income. Dog walking or pet sitting is all about trust. So start by offering your services to friends and family and build a reputation from there. You could also consider joining a pet care platform that connects sitters with pet owners. These platforms usually take a portion of your earnings, but they do provide a steady stream of potential clients. Your earnings can vary greatly depending on the number of pets you care for, the services you provide, and your location. For instance, in urban areas, dog walkers can charge upwards of $15 to $20 per walk, while pet sitting can earn around $50 to $100 per night. It's a rewarding job that lets you enjoy the company of adorable pets while earning a decent income. With dog walking or pet sitting, you can earn money while spending time with furry friends. Got a green thumb? Offer gardening or landscaping services. This is an excellent way to earn money, especially if you enjoy working outdoors and have a knack for making things grow. The potential earnings can be quite substantial depending on the services you offer. You could be doing anything from mowing lawns to designing elaborate garden landscapes. The skills required are as diverse as the services you can offer. Basic gardening knowledge is essential, but more specialized skills like landscape design or horticulture could allow you to charge premium rates. Getting started might be as simple as offering your services to neighbors and friends, or you could advertise on local community boards or online platforms. You might also consider getting certified in a specific area to increase your credibility and attract more clients. So, if you love nature and have an eye for design, why not monetize it? Love to cook or bake? Sell your food or baked goods. In today's digitally connected world, your culinary skills can reach far beyond your kitchen. From homemade cookies to artisanal bread or even a unique family recipe, there's a potential market for your food creations. Imagine your kitchen as your creative canvas, and your delicious treats as the masterpiece that others are willing to pay for. The potential earnings? They're as diverse as your recipes. From a few extra bucks to cover your grocery bills to a full-blown small business operation, it all depends on the quality of your product and your marketing efforts. Starting is as simple as setting up an online store or joining a local farmer's market. Be sure to adhere to local health and safety regulations, and remember, presentation is key. Make your food not only taste good, but look irresistible too. Next, flipping items for profit. Now this is a fun and potentially lucrative way to earn some extra cash. The concept is simple: buy low, sell high. You'd be surprised at the treasures you can find in thrift stores, garage sales, or even online marketplaces, which can be sold for a profit with a little bit of effort. The potential earnings here are as vast as your knack for finding hidden gems. Some people make a comfortable living, while others use it as a side hustle for extra income. Success in this field requires a keen eye for value, some basic knowledge about the items you're dealing with, and a little bit of patience. Here's a pro tip: specialize in a certain type of item. It could be vintage clothing, antique furniture, or collectible toys. The more you know about your niche, the better your chances of making profitable flips. Ever thought of starting a blog or YouTube channel? This can be a fantastic way to share your passion with the world and even earn money. The concept is simple. Create engaging content around a topic you love. It could be anything from tech reviews, cooking tips, to fitness advice. As for potential earnings, they can vary widely. Some people make a little extra pocket change, while others make a full-time living. It all depends on your dedication, content quality, and audience size. Starting is easy. For a blog, you can use platforms like WordPress or Blogger. For a YouTube channel, all you need is a Google account. Remember to focus on a unique, compelling topic and consistently produce content. Success lies in promoting your blog or channel, engaging with your audience, and continuously improving your content. Don't be discouraged if growth is slow at first. Persistence is key. Are you an expert in a certain field? Consider creating an online course. This is an exceptional opportunity to share your knowledge with others and generate a steady income stream. Online education is a booming market, and people are always on the lookout for quality courses to boost their skills or learn something new. Getting started is easier than you might think. First, identify your area of expertise. It could be anything from cooking to coding, fitness to finance. Next, plan your course structure. Break down your knowledge into digestible, structured modules. Remember, your course must provide value. It's not just about sharing information, it's about teaching skills and providing practical insights. Use engaging teaching methods, include real-life examples, and offer interactive elements to keep your students hooked. Market your course on social media, your website, or through email marketing. And here's a pro tip: offer a free mini-course or a preview to attract potential learners. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is a brilliant way to earn income without creating a product yourself. Instead, you partner with businesses and promote their products or services. When a sale is made through your unique link, you earn a commission. The potential earnings, well, they range from a few extra bucks to potentially thousands each month, depending on the success of your promotions. Getting started is fairly straightforward. First, find a product or service you genuinely like and believe in. Reach out to the company or look for an affiliate program on their website. Once you're approved, you'll get a unique link to share on your blog, social media, or even YouTube channel. Here's a tip for success: focus on building trust with your audience. Share honest reviews and experiences with the product. Love to write? Consider self-publishing an ebook. An ebook, or electronic book, is a book in digital form that can be read on a variety of devices. It's a fantastic way to bring your stories to life, and it's easier than ever thanks to a host of online platforms and tools. As for potential earnings, the sky's the limit. Some authors earn a few extra bucks while others rake in thousands. It all depends on your book's success. Getting started is straightforward. First, write your book. Next, edit it thoroughly. Then, design an eye-catching cover. Finally, upload your book to a self-publishing platform like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Set your price and voila, you're a published author. For success, focus on a niche subject you're passionate about. Create compelling, well-written content. And don't forget to market your book. Use social media, your website, or even word of mouth to generate buzz. There's nothing stopping you from exploring these avenues. Each of these 15 possibilities offers a unique opportunity to turn your skills, interests, and passions into a profitable venture. It's all about creativity, determination, and persistence. Remember, the key to success is creativity, determination, and persistence. So, what are you waiting for? Start earning money creatively today. Please like and subscribe for more content to help you achieve financial freedom.